In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems, repeated questions under the subtopic limited liability components in business organization. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions practice with this subtopic limited liability components. Alright, so let's get started. The first question I have here says a firm's main aim is to maximize profit, increase its market share, survive in business, satisfy the ambitions of its managers. So the right answer is option A, which is to maximize profit. Next question is this one. It says a public liability company is run on a daily basis by the chief executive, the board of directors, the shareholders, financial consultants. The right answer is option B, which is the board of directors. Next question is this one. It says in a public company, entrepreneurship functions are performed by the creditors, workers, board of directors, shareholders. So guys, the right answer is option C, which is board of directors. Next question I have here is this one. It says external finance for a limited liability company is mainly sourced through, we have bank loans, the issuing of shares, we have trade credit, the leasing of equipment. The right answer is option B, which is the issuing of shares. Very important. The next question is this one. It says the maximum number of shareholders for a limited liability company is infinite. Option D. Okay, take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says the type of business finance that entitles the holder to a fixed rate of dividend is preferred stock, debenture, bank loan, common stock. The right answer is option A, which is preferred stock. Alright, next question is this one. It says a disadvantage of a joint stock company is unlimited liability, limited control and management by shareholders. We have limited liability, lack of continuity when a shareholder dies. The right answer is limited control and management by shareholders. Okay, so that's the right answer to this question. The next question I have here is this one. It says a shareholder partakes in the profit of a limited liability company by receiving gift shares, dividends, profits. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is dividends. Alright, take note of this question, very important. Next question I have here is this one. It says an advantage of a public limited liability company is that shares are easily transferred, management is separated from each shareholder, it has a powerful trade union, it has operational confidentiality. The right answer is option A, which is shares are easily transferred. The next question is this one. It says liquidation of limited liability company implies that the debts of the company can only be paid from its own assets. Debts of the company are paid from both business and private funds of the owners. A company may not pay its debt. Debts of the company must be paid from public funds only. The right answer is option A, very important. Debts of the company can only be paid from its own assets. Next question I have here is this one. It says the raising of funds by selling stocks to the public is called debt financing, loan financing, stock financing, equity financing. The right answer is option D, very important, equity financing. Next question I have here is this one. It says the minimum number of shareholders for a joint stock company is 7, guys. Option D. Okay, next question I have here is this one. It says number of shareholders in a private limited company ranges from, we have 2 to 7, 2 to 20, 2 to 3, 2 to 50. The right answer is option D, which is 2 to 50. Very important. The next question I have here is this one. It says a modern corporation is owned by creditors, debenture holders, ordinary shareholders, preference shareholders. The right answer is option C, which is ordinary shareholders. Alright, very important. The next question is this one. It says if profit maximization is assumed to be the objective of a business enterprise, labor must be paid a wage rate equal to we have option A, marginal cost of production, marginal revenue of the enterprise, marginal revenue product of labor in the enterprise, average revenue of the enterprise. Right answer is option C, which is marginal revenue product of labor in the enterprise. Alright, very important. Next question I have here is this one. It says the raising of funds by selling stocks to the public is called I think we've already answered similar question option C, which is equity financing. Next question I have here, to the right answer here is option D, which is equity financing. Next question I have here is this one. It says a public liability company is different from a private limited company because it can sell shares in the stock market. Yeah, that's basically the answer. Can raise capital of size by way of loans. No, is registered with the registrar of companies. No, is a legal entity. So the right answer is option A. Can sell shares in the stock exchange. Okay. The next question is this one. It says a debenture share entitles its holder to receive a fixed interest on sums invested, participate in the annual general meeting of the company, share in the dividend declared, have a representative on the board of directors. The right answer is option A, which is receive a fixed interest on sums invested. Very important. This question is this one. It says the number of persons required to form a private limited company ranges from, I think I already answered this question, it ranges from 2 to 50. Option A. Last question before I end this video will be this one. It says in the event of liquidation of a private limited liability company, the shareholders liability is limited in their total real investment in the company, family assets, income from all sources, collateral offer for bank loans. The right answer is option A, which is investment in a company. So guys, basically I can do problems involving the subtopic limited liability companies in business organization. We practice with about 18 to 20 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your external exam like your JAMB and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next corner above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.